Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel.
If you've ever felt like your confidence was lacking or you're looking for ways to boost your self-esteem, then this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple yet powerful ways you can boost your confidence and start feeling better about yourself, whether it's for work, social situations, or just your day-to-day life. So, let's dive right in. Alright, first up, self-affirmations. Now, this may sound a little cheesy, but trust me, repeating positive affirmations daily can make a huge difference. Start your morning by looking at yourself in the mirror and saying things like, I am strong, I am capable, I believe in myself. It's all about rewiring your brain to focus on the positive and not the negative. Over time, these affirmations become part of your belief system and help build lasting confidence. Next up, improve your posture. It may sound small, but how you carry yourself can make a huge impact on your confidence. Standing tall with your shoulders back and your chin up can instantly make you look more confident, and, believe it or not, you'll start feeling more confident too. When I stand tall like this, I feel more empowered, and people can actually sense it. So, next time you walk into a room, try standing with purpose. It'll help you feel more confident right away. Tip number 3, set small, achievable goals. One of the best ways to build confidence is by setting goals that are within reach. These don't have to be huge, just small, everyday goals like finishing a task at work or trying something new. When you accomplish these little goals, you'll start to feel more capable and proud of yourself. I like to write down my goals and check them off as I go. It's such a great feeling to look back and see how much I've accomplished, no matter how small the task may seem. Tip number 4, step outside your comfort zone. Confidence doesn't come from staying in your safe little bubble. It comes from challenging yourself and stepping into new situations, even if they feel uncomfortable at first. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, trying a new hobby, or even just striking up a conversation with a stranger, every small step outside your comfort zone helps build your confidence. I know it's hard, but trust me, every time I push myself to do something new, I feel stronger and more confident in my ability to handle whatever comes next. And lastly, surround yourself with positive people. Confidence is contagious. When you spend time with people who lift you up, encourage you, and make you feel good about yourself, your own confidence will grow. Negative people can drain your energy, so make sure you're surrounding yourself with those who support you and help you see the best in yourself. I always feel more confident when I'm around people who bring out the best in me. Positive energy is the key, so, there you have it, 5 simple ways to boost your confidence starting today. Whether it's practicing affirmations, improving your posture, setting small goals, stepping outside your comfort zone, or surrounding yourself with positivity, there are plenty of ways you can start feeling more confident right now. Confidence is a journey, and every little step counts. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.